Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be here with me today. The table saw has been returned to its designated location over there. And I have set up the trestles with my little temporary workbench, which is 5 foot long, 12 inches wide, and about 2.5 inches thick. I have clamped the tabletop to the trestles. It does offer me a place to do layout work. I'm not so sure yet about planing. I clamped on a temporary planing stop for flat work, and I'm using a hand screw to hold the board upright for planing an edge. And while it does work, as you can see, the bench wiggles. So, I think I can improve on this. My thought, it's just a thought, is to get some more 2x material. I think I have some outside, and create a full-size wraparound. Okay, a U. Come around this way, and then put a tool well in the middle, tying that all together, and then affixing it to the trestles with cleats from below to eliminate the need for clamps. That's my thought. I hope you're having a good day. I was out and about the past few days. We went to a dog show event down in Daweswell, Virginia. And there was quite a lot of competition down there. Beautiful dogs, very experienced breeders and handlers. And our little girl managed to get 1 out of 4 days. She was the winner. So that was exciting. And then she also got to run her Fast Cat, which you may have seen the little video. So it's something we do to try to keep her happy, and of course, keep Mama happy. But it's a lot of work, and it takes a lot of time. But we're back. So that would be one thing I'm considering. Number one, adding that U shape like a corral and adding a tool well. I may even make a thicker section out here and a smaller tool well. The other thing I could do is to create crisscross bracing for underneath here that just sort of slips in place. Thinking of that too. I'll get to it, but in the meantime, thanks for stopping by. Let me know what you think about this operation here. It will work for layout, especially if I add some more space here. And it will work for some sawing and chiseling and some planing. So we make do with what we have and we move forward. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.